Hey guys, today we'll learn how to use the new Bing AI Image Creator. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use the new Bing AI Image Creator, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to go ahead and do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out. Just alright guys. So what we need to do first is to actually go ahead and launch the app stores and see if the Bing application is actually downloadable on your device. In this case it is. So go ahead and download the Bing applications on your device. And as you see on the title of the Bing application, it does have the new chat with AI with GPT-4. Now, as we aren't aware that ChatGPT only uses GPT 3.5. And if you want to go ahead and use GPT-4, you would need to subscribe to their subscription plans. And this on Bing AI, you get ChatGPT-4 right from the get-go. So in this case, if you would like to go and use this, of course, all we need to do is tap on Ask Me Anything, and all we need to do, and so locate where of the Bing AI chatbot is. It's of course right here. So all we need to do, if you all guys would like to go ahead and use Bing AI to create an image, all we need to do is enter our prompt. So let's go ahead and say, create an image. So once this is done, of course, you need to enter a specific topic. Create an image of a painting by Leonardo DiCaprio, or just by Leonardo, and see if ChatGPT actually will detect who is Leonardo and what type of painting it will create for us. As you see by doing that, of course, you do need to go ahead and accept its terms and conditions, and wait for this to basically load. Basically once that is done, as you see it's gonna give us the result. As of the current moment, it cannot create images right now because of high demand. So if you guys have this prompt showing, the best thing you can actually do is to wait or try again another time and see if a Bing AI has less requests and lower demand on that specific time, and it'll give some time and effort to cater to your needs. So that is how you guys could quickly create an image using the Bing AI Image Creator. Think away through watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video, and take care.